I already made a video on some of the stuff I wish I invested in sooner, but here's a few more that are not physical products. Well, most of them. So one of the first things is a gym membership. Now you're gonna ask, why a gym membership? Like, how does this relate to photography, videography, etc.? It really does, because especially if you're an event photographer, you're always on your feet. You're carrying a lot of heavy equipment. You have a lot of stuff that you have to manage and carry, etc., etc. So having a gym membership and being fit and being able to move around very easily and lift a lot of stuff is one of the most crucial things I find. Now, obviously with age, this changes because maybe you're not able to move things, or maybe you're not able to do as much, and figure out how to deal with that when it comes to that point. But at least at this point, when I'm in my mid-20s, where I can actually go to the gym and work out, it's one of the best things I've invested in, both for my own confidence, my health, and just in general, my actual work. Now, number 2 is a website. I loafed on doing this for a long time, and just because I didn't know if it was worth it or how much I use it. But here's the thing you have to consider. If your website looks unprofessional, it has like the extension that's not great. So for example, when you create a free Wix website, for example, it's going to be whatever name you choose. So let's say KandidVision.wixsite.com. So yeah, you can go with that for a while, but if you want to appeal to more professional clients or just come off as more professional, it's crucial that you actually invest in buying a domain name, buying one of these packages that will emphasize and make your website a lot better. And one thing I will say is that some of these site packages, like on Wix or GoDaddy, for example, they are potentially expensive. But you have to remember, if you're trying to make money off of your brand and your business, then it's just an investment that you will probably make back very quickly. You have to remember that this might be a big investment upfront. You might be paying $400 or $500 to get your domain and your website package for 2 or 3 years. But if you break that down per month or per week or however you plan to pay for it, it's really not that much. So you are going to be getting a lot out of it, and it's one of the best things I've invested in recently, especially. Now, I did say this might include 1 or 2 products, and I did probably mention this in one of my other videos, but I'm going to include this because this is a new thing I got. Without further ado, now one of the products I'm going to cover is lights. Now, lights can be whatever you want it to be, whichever one you find, but I like this one, the Colbor CL60R. I made another video on this, so if you want to see the full breakdown and the all the features that this light has, then feel free to check that video out when it's up or whenever I put the iCard. Lights are really crucial because without lights, even the old ones I'm using, these ones are going to make the video look horrible without them being on. And even though I'm not using this light in this video, even my older lights that are just standard bulb lights, those are still great to have for video work or just in general, even my YouTube videos. So one of the best things I invest in is lights. Now, similar to the website, another thing that I really loved on buying for a while and not investing in is online services. And this is similar to the website, like I said. So I'm talking about some of the stuff like Google storage or ads or just in general things to really get my content out there, my ads out there, has made me money. And technically speaking, I've spent more upfront. Now, even though some of these things are again like an upfront cost, I've made my money back in them. So therefore that expense is almost non-existent. One last thing that also is a product is actually the arm that the mic is on. So I'm just gonna put in the shot for a second. So if any of you go way back into my old videos, you might hear my audio where it was either the lavalier mic, which you can probably see in the video, or you might just hear it really murky and potentially more denoised. The reason for that is that my mic was on the camera. So where you all are is where my mic was, which was almost like a good 2-3 feet away from me. So not the best thing, but I didn't have the arm at the time. So long story short, this arm has made it easier for the audio quality to be much better because the mic is right up here, so it detects a lot better. And I think it has made my videos a lot better. And last but not least is my YouTube channel. And what I mean by that is paying for ads or just in general investing in gear or things to make these videos better, which also includes software. So things that I get to make the sound better, the audio or the visuals better. Everything that I get has made this better. I do really enjoy doing it, and it has led to some opportunities. It has led to things where I may not have gotten if I didn't start the YouTube channel. And I do regret not starting it sooner, but I'm happy that I invested in it to get to where I am now. So those are a few things I regret not investing in sooner that have really helped me make my work a lot better, and I really am happy that I have them now. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of his videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any of the social media, it'll be right over here. Feel free to hit me up. I'd love to interact with some of you. And thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.